video we'll revise about distance and speed. Distance is defined as the total length of the path covered by a body. This is known as distance. For example, you are coming from your house to school. So, whatever total length of the path you are covering, that will be the distance covered by you. SI unit of distance is meter. Distance can be measured in other units also, depending upon whether it is a smaller distance or it is a larger distance, meter, centimeter, kilometer, it can be different units. But SI unit is meter. Then one very important point about distance does not depend on direction. Distance does not depend on direction. It is independent of the direction. Total path covered by an object, that is distance. So whether it is covering in east or it is covering in west, that doesn't matter. Only total path covered by an object. And there is one quantity known as scalar quantity. Scalar quantity is a quantity which is measured in magnitude only. That means the number, and it doesn't depend upon the direction. So we say distance does not depend upon the direction, or it is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity is a quantity which is measured only in magnitude and it doesn't have the direction. So we say distance is independent of the direction, it does not depend upon the direction, or it is a scalar quantity. Then distance can never be zero. Distance can never be zero. If you are covering some length or the path, that means some distance you have covered. So, distance is the total or the actual length of the path covered by a body. This was about distance. SI unit of distance is meter, and distance is not depending on the direction. In any direction you cover a path, you say you have covered the distance. And lastly, distance can never be zero. Next we revise what is speed. Speed is defined as distance covered by a body in a unit time. Distance covered by a body in a unit time is known as speed. You can denote speed by S. SI unit of speed is meter per second. This I'll tell you how it comes, because there is a formula for speed. S stands for speed, D stands for distance, T stands for time. So when I am substituting, the SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. So this becomes the unit of SI unit of speed. So speed is defined as distance covered by a body or distance traveled by a body in a unit ton. We are denoting speed by S. SI unit of speed is meter per second. How did this unit come? With the help of a formula. The formula for the speed is distance upon time. Distance is measured in meter, time is measured in second. So this is how your unit meter per second. Other units can also be there. Other units can be there. Centimeter per second, kilometer per hour, these can be the others. If you want to measure very small speed, we take centimeter per second. If you want to measure a larger speed, then we take it as kilometer per second. So today we revised about distance and speed. In the next video, children, we will be practicing the numericals on the speed.